Instead, observe a National Press Day. Chief Ministers assured of health coverage under Ayushman Bharat for DIPR registered journalists and under CHMT schemed for other journalists. Congress gained 10th entrance. CLP leader Okrami Bobis assured judiciary's intervened the MU crisis due to inefficiencies of BJP government. And the contraband drugs worth around 1 crore rupees seized by Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee Moreh set a blast. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandhuram presenting you the primetime English news. Well, to begin with the top story. Manipur joined in observing National Press Day today. The Department of Information and Public Relations organized the event at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifled. State Award were conferred upon 7th journalists and 1 editor on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane has announced to provide health benefits to 243 journalists registered with DIPR. The Chief Minister is assured of taking a cabinet decision at the earliest for providing journalists registered with DIPR for health coverage for up to 5 lakh rupees under Centre's Ayushman Bharat and other journalists under Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang scheme. Acknowledging the problems faced by journalists while discharging their duties, Birane stressed the need for people to recognize and appreciate their commendable role. Chief Minister Birane also assured of increasing amount of award accorded to editors on National Press Day. Appreciating the journalists for their role in bringing national integrity and communal harmony, Birane asserted that media is the 4th pillar of a democratic country like India. He also expressed states, media persons and media firms to continue working in a mutual manner even in future. State government in its short span of rule is working earnestly to bring equal development by enhancing relationship between the hills and the valley inhabitants without any discrimination. The Chief Minister maintained that true development is not just a materialistic development, but people need to be developed. On the other hand, he appeals to journalists not to discard and individuals' career and morals while expressing opinion regarding the government. The Chief Minister called for healthy argument for an overall development.
Profession didi paumi di oirugum to yang wabani am noi to ni hujig adum khangi ai tum leiramgani me aduna ko sarkar na da paikhat ki ba Chief Minister ki Haksel Gi Tengbang paumi sini manungda kanagumba socio economic caste census ki makhada yawbu singdudi Ayushman Bharat na dum automatically cover to 5 lakhs treatment ki socio economic caste census da yahogdaba taseng na wari ba paumi mayam du ngado khoina Chief Minister ki Haksel Gi Tengbang ana khoina ma hogdok chariba Laitelaira wana mayam single palak ani bhaugi kainom matokanda inpatient hospitalized tawrakanda fangada gumadu scheme du DIPR gi hafet record lobada 243 masi singsi ai next cabinet da CMISTC cover tongna ba adamaina cabinet decision lawrani.
Taking part in the event, the CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham stated that the role of press has increased drastically with advancement of human civilization. He assured that the present government has been undertaking various welfare schemes for those in media, taking in view of their hardship faced in the field. Minister Karam Sham also appealed to media persons to always maintain neutrality in their works. Pogna Firm's Delhi's editor Aribam Ravindro was awarded the Best Editor for reporting on national integration and communal harmony. The People's Chronicle's staff reporter Sagol Semt Vigyan was accorded the Best Reporter Award for Rural Marketing. Huyan Lanpao's senior reporters Laishram Vijoy, staff reporter Aseem Bebecha, senior reporters Ratnesh Uwaris Goshwani and correspondent Naurim Gyanand bagged the award for best reporting on the public health and hygiene, women and children, sports and art and culture, respectively. Naharolgi Thogdang Delhi sub-editor Khetri Meghajit won the State Award for Best Reporting in Science and Technology. Huyen Lanpao sub-editor Puyam Rameshwar was conferred Manipur State Journalist Award 2018 for parliamentary reporting. The award includes a sold citation and cash award of 25,000 rupees. A workshop on journalism ethic and challenges in the digital era was also organized on the occasion. DIPR Director H. Balkrishna and many people attended the event.
Manipur ki saukhat thorangda khongjen yangna adi saukhat pangamibani ngasi honorable chief minister na adi ngasi sahim ga tha tarukta tawjari ba thabak kharasi Manipur ki praja nungsina haliba chingtam adagi activities mayam ama uthopanga misi di paumi chingi mapana ngamjari bani aba paumi ki awaba khangba paumi oina horakki ba chief minister na CM oiringai ki matam sida honorable CM oiringai ki matam sida paumi ki demand fulfill tawdra dai matam dadi tawroidam niko aduna chief minister khanaba chief minister intho ga laibai mahutta any association any organization phatana adi plan ama tawbiraga honorable CM dagi khudung chabje lawbi horo ranti tawbaiba paumieba hayeng matam loira kan yeng nungai teko.
Chief Minister Nongthom Birain has launched the website for the Sangai Open Mic that would be presented by Cubed 10 Technologies Private Limited during the Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. The website www.sangaiOpenMic.com would be used to register budding singers, dancers, mimicry artists and other artists who would like to showcase their talent on a platform. The registration is free of cost. The event will be held at Hapta Kangjebung from the 21st to 30th November during evening hours. Various artists and invitees would also perform and at the same time mentor and guide the budding artist. Every participant would get a chance to work and tie up with already established artists and cinema houses, giving them a chance to enhance their talent in the form of a career. All the amateur and budding artists who are looking for a platform are invited to register on the website for free and perform during the festival. Some eminent VIPs, officials and bureaucrats along with renowned artists will be guiding, singing and performing in the Sangai Open Mic during the festival. The Chief Minister also registered on the website and called upon all the ministers, MLAs and officers to participate. A team of ministers and top officials led by Chief Minister Nongthom Birain inspected the ongoing construction of a civil secretariat in the Mantripukhi today. Chief Minister also inspected the ongoing construction of the 13 feet tall bronze statue of Maharaja Narasingha and Hira Chandra at the worksite of sculptor B. Banamali in the Khongmand Zone 3 in Fal East. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Birain intimated that relevant officials and contractors were instructed to expedite the construction of the secretariat so that it may be inaugurated before the upcoming Lok Sabha election. MLA Nauria Pakhang Lakpa constituency as Subhash Chandra has assured of safe drinking water in all the villages of the constituency by 2019. He assured the same while inspecting water supply scheme being constructed in the constituency today. Speaking to media, MLA S. Subhash Chandra said he come to inspect the water supply schemes to convert the premises made by the BJP-led state government into action. He stated that construction of a water supply scheme with the latest provision will be completed at the earliest and handed over to the people. PHED Department Additional Chief Engineer S. L. Swami Kanta also took part in the inspection.
Overall, Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Kenya Manung Deliva, Kungangsing Ayamba Lekaising, 2019 Boki Manung Dadi, Soina, Sing Ayamba, Angmung never get targeted in Equigi, respected engineer, Equigi, educative, Luina and a seat, Saliba Vizina, Koita Soina, Namgani Havitaza with the lady. Pukising she, Equi Yan Mosan Bakang Napi, Lady Mayam she, Kendrisi, Panchaki, Manung Delivanina, MG Naregagi Makada, Line Department Gi, Shardagi. Oy na mag-innovation gi program da hapaga masiluin ng tarutanan na situhalaga para sing da apaba ising adu bitang na bagi pandam da ay koy executive engineer, chief engineer ga loinana ngasi khongjat mai pa khongjat amani.
On the other hand, the long-neglected Lilong Haurebi Makau water supply scheme under the Public Health Engineering Department PHED Taubal Division is in a deplorable condition. Local inspected the water supply scheme today and found the rushed overhead water tank leaking badly. Residents drew the attention of the authority concerned to take immediate actions and ease the plight facing the locals due to the scarcity of water. Congress has gained 10 entrants from 4 different constituencies, including 2 former candidates, 6 councillors of Lamlai Municipal Council, 1 social worker, former candidate of Kairao and Lilong constituencies, and 1 member of Churchanpur, 14 Tuibong constituency, were accorded a warm reception at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi condemned the BJP state government for accusing the opposition party of abetting Manipur University crisis. He maintained that the judiciary had to intervene the crisis for the welfare of the students since the government obviously fails to execute its duty efficiently. Okram Ibobi condemned the BJP for blaming the opposition party for the recent turmoil and asserts that such act is not expected out of a good governance. Criticizing the government of carrying out mere publicity and propaganda, Okram Ibobi stated that people of the state are still eagerly awaiting for the realization of all the promises made by Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister in Biren, and as such, people have lost trust in both the central and the state governments.
Manipur University was say, the government gave us Human Resource Minister, Maki Makata BJP Mantri Neva, but the other president, minister, among the leaders, Manipur University can view, sacrificing lives can view, I am other state government, other central union government, local head. Manipur Mago, Similar Sito, Selling the Sanjo, University Monkey Moso, Moina, Yenga, they go. But the administration, Shuepo, walk like Garoy. When I talk to the Manipur, Labour Starters in the Punsi, institution, Mamma Garoy, what I put in the day, was he kind of never. Congress, I think, you know.
Okay, promise, but the suction was up my armor, Massive Napping Hutta, on the Kainava, anti party over, anti state over, Ocean Toran, Mayams Ubakanta, Mayams Pamnarta. Maxi Sarkara said, I quite into Bagi, Darka, with of their own fools and of their own Rihayani. Wait, okay, Maran, Pulum Kanda, Masama Tomtana, Ninkarakadaba, Sarkani.
Imphal East Police team has conducted routine cordon and search operation in and around Hatam Manainkol today as a part of security measures for the upcoming Sangai festival. The team apprehended 15 men, including 4 non-Manipuris and 7 women, without proper identification proofs. The arrested persons were handed over to Parampat Police Station for further verification. The team, under the supervision of SP Imphal East K. Megachandra, led by Additional SP Operation Mutum Kumarjit, conducted the operation along with DSP Operation RK Charlie, NAB Imphal East Officer in Charge S. Sur Kumar, Officer in Charge of Imphal East Commando T. Kogend, top officials of Imphal East and women personnel. Altogether, 276 men and 97 women were verified during the operation. Speaking to media, Additional SP Operation Mutum Kumarjit said the operation was conducted acting on a tip-off regarding presence of some anti-social elements in the locality. The Additional SP affirmed of similar drive in various parts of the state ahead of Sangai Festival and appealed for public cooperation. It may be mentioned that many foreign dignitaries, including Princess of Thailand Mahat Chakri Shrindhorn, will be attending the Sangai Festival, which will commence on November 21st.
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SP ꯁꯥꯔꯅꯒ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯟꯋꯥꯟꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯨꯇꯤꯟ ꯋꯥꯛꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯄꯥꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ SP ꯁꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
Unknown miscreants planted a Chinese hand grenade at Samurao under Wangoi police station this afternoon around 12:30. The bomb was planted at Airtel The Tower outdoor cabinet installed in the residence of Wangkaimayum Santa near Machu Cinema Hall in Samurao under Wangoi police station of Infal West District. Wangoi police station immediately intimated state bomb disposal team upon being informed. The bomb squad recovered the bomb around 2:05 this afternoon and later disposed it off safely at Naralkonjin at 2:30 p.m. Contraband drugs worth around 1 crore rupees seized by Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee More were destroyed today. The committee has been carrying out series of drives against use and sales of illegal drugs into More town and its neighboring areas since the last couple of days. Huge amount of heroin powder, WI tablets and opium seized during the drive were set ablaze in front of the office of Hill Tribe Council More today. The convener of the committee, Khub Gangte, stated that the efforts of the committee is finally paying off and the drug users have even voluntarily admitted themselves in the rehabilitation center. He appealed to all the civil society organizations of the state and the government to assist the committee. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on a father and son duo who have undertaken the commendable task of recycling used plastic bottles to combat plastic pollution in the state. We will be back with the details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. Usham Krishna and his son Usham Ashok have been making brooms out of used plastic bottles. Impact News reporter Vakta Tarangbam and camera person Bukrambam Bobo bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Usham Krishna and his son Usham Ashok from Chingku Awanglekai in Kundrakpam constituency took up the initiative of utilizing used plastic water bottles for making plastic brooms. Their venture will indeed combat plastic pollution in the state to a great extent.
Button si Maruna, some success Hijana, some mineral buttons, although Sinavloricana Mazi, Akui, Pazana from Sana, Tamadi Faboko, the Puki, the Commanda, they take them out from by Talokamang liver. When Anguri, the high facing saw the plastic protection mams, and I couldn't get the man, but some environment that when it comes to Sierra Madi and other Wakalunda, Sazavan University, Mayam, some CP, Hydra, Pam, the demands in Helakunda, Massachusetts industry, Masamo in Atorga, Kuilang Pay, Pace at Trakasu, Yum the Langradum.
Usham Krishna expressed that in the initial stage of their venture, people took them for insane for collecting used plastic bottles from parties, community-faced and along roadsides. He said they did not get discouraged but continued relentlessly with the endeavor. Acknowledging their efforts, people now buy the brooms made out of waste plastic bottles and even started bringing used plastic bottles for recycling. Krishna expressed contentment that he is able to make his contributions in saving the environment from pollution.
Labiri composition Morerum de Tolivasi, Samani Pudania Kabo than P. Havina, Agi, Matam Sangbasi, Ying Birakanoi, Basamia Kayankai, Sangdum, Tambiram Baita. Moredi put for Riposa, Aquina, Adam Dominato, Makan having a Tazabu in terms of loina akhoi semilon da su kon mapan da sar kidabdo akhoi isa da laksabigi keno musu lere jaga jaga da leiro sing da tam da leiro sinau sing pai cha sing sumaina aina semjeri ba ina tawjeri sumaina akhoi kidam loin tawminaragadi akhoi nom di am lu bonan ba plastic leijeraga su ko sumang mang handana moi loimak sinabi yawi target na ina kanjari.
Usham Ashok, who is assisting his father, wholeheartedly expressed that out of concerns at the rising plastic pollutions, he and his father started looking out for ways to recycle waste plastic bottles and stumble upon the idea of making brooms. He said they utilized home available resources and started making the brooms. Ashok stated that around 30 lakh used plastic bottles polluting the state can be recycled into at least 1 lakh plastic brooms.
nong ma khoina bottle chi chai le kai degi khumjan ba chi lek to kan hai ta khoi gi sing khoi lambi hai ta lambi ma tai se 100 floor na kan ji da yumam le moi gi luhong bra kai nom thok ba san adu bora che khoi inau pai ma na bam degi lo le ai gi na botan khun dui ni hai ma sin nong le ba khoi ma sin me kai ni moi te chu ma me na khan na ni na hai manipur da le bi chin inau khoi ni sin na bottle jing se mafam cha na khoi khongban da lupan da lang thok gi hai na bi se thadok pi re ga mafam cha na collect to bi re ga khoi mi oi ba samaj ta yam na chaw na mang ka dor ba bottle chi sep to The
commendable initiative of Usham Krishna and Usham Ashok in recycling used plastic bottles into brooms will undoubtedly help in combating environmental pollution in the state. With camera person Pukramam Bobo, this is Joyce Usham for reporter Bhakta Tarangbam, Impact News, Imphal.
Welcome back. High Court Bar Association has celebrated its 28th Foundation Day in the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur in Chingmairong today. Speaking on the occasion, Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar appealed to all the learned lawyers of the state to reach out to people in the remote hilly regions of the state and give justice to their grievances. Association members also showered floral tributes to late members of the association on the occasion.
To give access to justice to the districts to reach the Manipur High Court. So therefore, today let us pledge that within a mere matter of 1 or 2 years, we will ensure that the legal literacy reach through the members of the bar should go to every district, and participating lawyers should come forward to go and propagate the ability of law to reach and give them solace if they have a legal problem.
National Institute of Technology Manipur and Nivea Consultancy Private Limited Singjamai jointly kick off a startup weekend event at NIT campus in Langol today. Students of NIT and various other institutes participated in the event to be held till November 18th. Speaking in the event, a managing director of Nivea Consultancy Private Limited, Erosild Namirakpam, asserted that startup is the hottest trend in the state. He mentioned that even the state government is providing startup financial aids to uprising entrepreneurs. However, experienced individuals in the field of technology and not getting enough exposure outside the state. Russell said the Startup Weekends was launched with an aim to bring a global platform for them in the state.
Top 3 team dusu Asia Pacific ki competition to buda akoi moi thaja doini do sigumba akoi ki Manipur to startup ki scheme gi leiriba mayam opportunity mayam live nina akoi Manipur leba ngang sing so moi ki business idea sing to global level ta puthokpa gi akoi na platform ang semba haujarakpa gi mongam tawjamne jibodi idea sing jana mana local side business am hauraga side dum tawni haiba gi lotion jabain tawe do akoi na pami sidi sidagi tholaga akoi idea sing su global stage ta puthokpa yaba kai the
71st Nupilal Ningsing Numit Observation Committee was formed today for organizing the 71st Nupilal Memorial event at Palace Compound on December 12th. Speaking to media at the PPCM office in Wahengbam Lekai, committee convener A. Langdol Leima announced that the committee comprising of various organizations of Manipur will be organizing the event in commemorations of the brave mothers who fought for the state. She said the day will also be observed in Jiribam and More under the committee. She appealed to contribute ideas as well as monetary assistance for the event. The committee also warns of a befitted punishment if it finds any collecting funds in the name of Nupilal.
Observation Committee na sinjagadoriba Nupilalsi da leiriba lebaksida akoigi kunaisida leiriba mioi khudimana kharu yaminasi amasung khundaminariba jati khudimana su Nupilal ningsin misi saru yaminasi loinana miyamdagisu angamba sel mateng pangbiu.
Chairman and Managing Director of Salai Holding Private Limited, Ngarengbam Samarjid, who was recently awarded with Mahatma Gandhi Samman Award in the House of Commons, Westminster, London, was accorded a warm reception by various communities of the state today. Observation Committee on the United Nations Day 2018 organized a reception ceremony at the residence of the Joint Secretary of UNESCO Club Manipur, Dr. T.H. Chandramani, in the Koiro in Thongju, Part 2 of Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, Ngarengbam Samarjid expressed pride in receiving the award as a Manipuri. Samarjid also intimated that he would be receiving the most influential personality of the 21st century award in an event to be participated by 50 countries at Moscow in Russia on November 24. He stressed the need to maintain international connectivity to popularize Manipur to the rest of the world and to enhance the state's economic status.
Recognition haibase yamna mathuk tai tobutabu recognition haibase karigumba aikoine apply torba matungda phangba recognition du nate aikoine pamjaribadi adubu ngasi lebak malem sigi oiba network ama aikoigi oina sagalaktaba yadaba tanja amadi oirei maramde matam amada lambi thongda amade tongan ba commercial area singda aikoina Myanmar ga Burma ga aikoiga awaga aikoiga lalol tik tongminaramba amade somda tongan ba ahomga aikoiga lalol tik tongminaramba sigdagi hentoraktana ngasigi kunai asidade ngasigi leiriba chatnadi kangon asi yenuraga amadi political gi aikoida will dugi magi asonba amadi akanbado madu thidukuba matamda tasengna ikoi ase international connectivity da aikoi mai onjandaba yartaba popum amakaklai.
SI School held its 5th annual school day at the school campus in Kanchipur today. Chiromd Jogeshwar Memorial Award was accorded to subject topper of computer science in the recent high school leaving certificate examination 2018 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSEM. Students who bag a Best Students Award, Best Attendance Award, Certificates of Honor, overall team champion of the school feast and overall runner-up were also felicitated on the occasion. Board of Secondary Education Manipur in a press release has informed that results of the Teacher Eligibility Test TET 2018 has been declared and the same is available at the website www.manresults.nic.in and www.bsem.nic.in. Pass certificates will be provided upon providing admit card by December 5. MLA Sagolband R.K. Imo has inaugurated the newly constructed community hall of Kwakaithil Thaunaujamd Leikai today. Local clubs of the locality, the Progressive Youth Development Association organized the inaugural event. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Imo assured of working with transparency for the development of the constituency. Many elderly persons of the locality attended the event.
mayam yoiba anaraga asi leiriba koina mayam da thamjariba community hall sida mayam tungda afaba porakpa yaba mayam do ama toina lekai gi oimina si haidna ismaina thamse mayam yoiba anaraga asi leiriba koina mayam da thamjariba community hall sida mayam tungda afaba porakpa yaba mayam do ama toina lekai gi oimina si haidna ismaina thamse.
Social media WhatsApp group Mashwara has extended financial assistance to all the Manipur Muslim Students Organizations AMSO in relation to the memorial event of AMSO's former president led Hanif Saha to be held tomorrow. Speaking on the occasion at the AMSO office in Hata today, admin of WhatsApp group Mashwara's Mohammed Rijwan stated that the WhatsApp group has been offering such assistance from time to time and assured of continuing the same event in the future.
Taramathoi Suba Hanif Saha gi death anniversary program asida ikoi angamba mateng khara khajik khainaraga mateng khara pangjabani hairiba paisa asi mateng pangbiraiba Mashwara group ki member sing yamna thagat chaba phongdokchari makoina chokthaba naidana amasung hannaba leitana hogiba mamangda thokiba peace and harmony gi thodok wathok amasung awa ana taba natural calamities amada ikoi Mashwara group ki member singna angamba mateng mafam da ikoi mateng pangduna lagi.
District Health Society Vishnupur organized the district-level Healthy Baby Show Competition 2018 at the Kiamba Ningxing Sanglain in Vishnupur district today. District SC to DC Neetu Singh, CMO Dr. T. Manihar and Medical Superintendent of District Hospital Vishnupur Dr. N. Bino attended the event. Winners of the championship held in the 3 categories were felicitated with certificate and case prizes. The top 3 winners of the championship will now compete in the state-level Healthy Baby Show competition on November 22nd. Now the sports news. The Idol club Sagolband Tera Kaitheld beat their opponent in the second league match of the state-level Women's Open Hockey Championship at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium today. The Idol club Sagolband Tera Kaitheld trashed Khongmand Students Club Khongmand by 6-0. Players of the Idol club Sagolband Tera Kaitheld, K. Sylvia scored 2 goals in the 22nd and 32nd minute. W. Mary scored 2 goals in the 26th and 58th minute, while the T. Ayingbi and K. Ronika scored 1 goal each in the 7th and 33rd minute, respectively. 5 women hockey teams are competing in the league matches of the championship organized by Manipur Hockey. The Idol club Tera Kaithel will now meet Sheo Singjamai Wangma Khetri Leikai in the 3rd league match tomorrow. Manipur team might back the overall championship title in the fencing event of the 64th National School Games. In the under-14 boys individuals foiled event played in the indoor stadium of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. Today, Manipur's fencer Loyumba Haubam bagged the gold and Bihar's Tushar bagged the silver medals, while in the under-14 boys EP event, Manipur's A. Thomba bagged the gold medal and Sufian of Jammu and Kashmir scored the silver medal. In the under-14 girls EP event, Manipur's Nelsie Rose bagged the gold medal and Jammu and Kashmir's Ragi Verma settled for the silver medal, while in under-17 girls foiled event, Khushbu Rani of Manipur scored the gold medal, followed by another Manipuri, and Mona, with silver medals. Altogether, 19 teams comprising of 730 players from across the country is competing in the fencing championship held under the Age of School Games Federation of India, hosted by Manipur. Kontaujam Kendra Kankut beat their opponent in a league match of the first Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial League Cum knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament at Singjamai Kangsang today. Kontaujam Kendra Kankut thrashed Yaskul Kendra Kankut by 11-9. 13 Kankuts from different parts of Manipur, divided into 4 groups, are competing in the league matches of the Kang tournament organized by Singjamai Kang Association under the Age of Manipur Kang Association. Kaisangthom Kangkut will play against Nambol Kangkut tomorrow. Before we end, let us look at the headlines once again. TED observe a National Press Day. Chief Ministers assured of health coverage under Ayushman Bharat for DIPR registered journalists and under CHMT schemed for other journalists. Congress gained 10th entrance. CLP leader Okram Ibobis assured that judiciaries intervened the MU crisis due to inefficiencies of BJP government. And the contraband drug worth around 1 crore rupees seized by Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee Mori set a blast.